Hello. Would you like to make extra income with your LinkedIn account? Welcome on board. At our company, we specialize in marketing services and lead generation for businesses across industries by booking meetings and helping them close sales. To do this, we rely on LinkedIn accounts. Due to limits by LinkedIn, we have to use many LinkedIn accounts to generate many leads. That's why we partner with amazing account owners like you. We rent your account and use it to expand our client base and pay you weekly for using it. We pay weekly every Wednesday, starting from $8 to $40. The amount of money paid depends on the number of connections your account has. For example, if your account has 100 connections, we will pay you $13 weekly. Like this account for Catlin Sanders, we will pay her $7 weekly for using her LinkedIn account because it has 3 connections only. The more the connections, the more you can earn. Accounts should be at least 3 months old. We also offer a referral program for we need as many accounts as possible. For every person you refer, you'll earn a bonus of $3. So if you bring in 5 friends, that's an extra $15 weekly. Contact us via WhatsApp +120-0337-99910 or email mira.linkedinrental@gmail.com. Join our team of more than 1,000 members and let's grow together.